You ready to go trick-or-treating?
Yeah.
Who are you? Are you Pi-Pi?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man! And who are you?
Spooky music.
I am Tinkerbell.
Who's gonna get the most candy?
Me.
Okay, stay still.
You ready, Spider-Man?
Yeah.
It can't get dark fast enough, can it?
And this guy's outside. This is spooky song.
Are you dancing to Halloween music? Are you excited about getting candy? Whoa.
Oh, we gotta do the spray, don't we? Okay. Stay still. Stop.
Okay, guys, how'd you do?
Good.
How much candy did you get?
I don't know.
Brother, show me all your
Should we
candy.
count it out?
Wow, look at all that candy.